So yes, coffee is life. What? Look what I got, guys. A package. Today I got the package. Okay, guys, let's see what's in the box. Maybe. Just rip it off. Eh. Look at that. For the love of coffee. Yee. Okay, I cheated. It's open already. Anyway, we love espresso. We love our Italian coffee. So look, a nice, look at that espresso maker. This is good for two. Awesome. I really like it. We also have like Lavazza coffee. So yeah, and this is actually made in Italy. So yeah, it comes with this little packet, but we don't need that. We already know what we're doing. How hard it is to make coffee. Anyway, look at that. That is awesome. See? You put your little coffee here. Inside, you put your water here. And you seal it. Put it on the stove. And you have a nice, good espresso. So yes. Oh, by the way, this is not sponsored, you guys. Just an FYI. So, this is not sponsored. No, no, no. Anyway, this is the Hamsters. Aloha. So, guys, this is our espresso for our new percolator, the espresso maker. Yeah. This is what we use. Lavazza or the Ili. If we can find Ili coffee, this is what we use. So yummy. Yes, I love coffee. So here I am, guys, opening a new Lavazza coffee in our espresso maker. You get filtered water inside. Let's see. Ooh. Yes. And gotta have some coffee. Oh, it smells so good. Coffee smells so good. I wish you can smell it, you guys. I wish you can smell it. So good. Then I'll just put some right here. Maybe about three and a half teaspoon. So yeah. And then turn it on to medium. Then we'll wait. So I use cold filtered coffee for this. I mean filtered water, excuse me. And 3.5 spoons of that coffee. So yes. So you can do espresso, or you can do espresso, or you know, half like Americano style. Yeah. So either or, it's good. So now we're gonna wait till this boils up, and I'll show you how this thing comes up into this contraptions here. So yes, coffee is life. Yee. Okay, so guys, they're starting to come out. Awesome. Yes, coffee is life. Look at that. And it smells so good too. Oh my goodness. Look. Look at that. It's filling up really slowly. But it's funny, it's only one side coming out, not on this side. So weird. Huh. Weird. But it smells so good, you guys. Oh, here it is. Alright. Look at that. Look how dark and strong coffee that is. Whoo-wee. It'll put a hair on your chest. Look, guys. That's cool. See, this is how I make my espresso, you guys. And soon I will have to cover it because it's going to start spewing out, I think. There you go, see? Very nice. Very nice coffee maker. It's easy and it's better cover it. So yeah, she's done. You hear it? Yeah. That's right. Oh yeah. So this is how I will make my espresso. Put a little bit of creamer underneath. Yes. Before I put my coffee. Look at that, you guys. Smells so good. Yummers. I like a little bit of creamer. And yeah, from this little contraption right here. So good, you guys. So thank you for watching. I have to drink my coffee now. Thank you. This is the Hamsters. Love, love, love.